body after body after body, janmantara, body after body after body. We'll keep doing bhakti, and gradually, like in Madhurya Kanamani, is explaining that as your bhakti increases, as your attachment and love for Krishna increases, it's like communicating vessels. One, if you put water here and they're connected, then like Shamakun and Radhakun is better. It's like Radhakun and Shamakun. If you fill Radhakun with 10 feet of water, then it's going to go through the Sangam and it's going to become 10 feet of water, right? Radhakun and Shamakun are the same height because they're getting the water from the water level. They don't have springs. When it rains, the water goes in the ground because that's why it's a few steps down. It comes up, it's like 50 feet. You go sometimes 50 feet and you get water. So it's called the water level. So if I dig a hole in my backyard, it'll be 5 steps down to the water, like it's 5 steps over there. It's called the water level, Pani level. So as our attachment and love for Krishna increases, and then the attachment and detachment, the body decreases, and then so that goes in within this life, and then it carries on next life. So the attachment to the body and the rati for this body, sharir, is our karma. Karma bandhana. It's called karma bandhana. It's our karma, our pap karma, our punya karma, and pap karma are binding. So as we do more and more bhakti, Srinvatam Swaka Kata Krishna, Punya Shravana Kirtana, Ridyantaksta Yubhadrani, Vidonati Saritsatam. As you do hear the Bhagavatam, do seva, bhajan, sadhana bhajan, then saf ho jayega. Everything becomes clean. So this, like you can say that, like you take your own temperature, thermometer. What percentage are you Krishna conscious? Take a day, take 24 hours a day. Pretend one day equals one jivan. So 24 hours. So out of 24 hours, 7-8 hours sleeping. So 8 hours sleeping. So now if that's 8 hours means 33%, 1/3, 33%. I'm in Maya illusion. So now the balance of this day, this one day is one life. Some little tiny fly, little kita, is one 24 hours, birth, marriage, bacha, everything die. 24, 24 घंटा जीवन हो गया. So and Kuta lives maybe 10 years, 7 years. We live 80 sal. Elephant lives 150. So like that. So one day. So now 8 hours sleeping. Now only 16 hours. Then bathing, this, that, and then eating and cooking. And then 5, 6, 7 hours. So a little japa, 2 hours japa, 1 hour reading, little puja. 3, 4 hours. Say 4 hours a day, some Krishna bhajan. Maximum 6. So that means 6 hours in one day means 25% Krishna conscious. In one sense. We don't know how much that detachment is. But life after life after life. So one life, there will be no more karma. Karma will be finished.